thought you wanted to cross.
This is the walking path.
I thought you wanted to go on the other side.
I just wanted the walking path. Starting in the morning.
What time is it? 11:50. 11:45.
Can go down there. Let's walk on the other side. You can have another view of your hotel from there. Drunk and duck. Drunk and duck. Surf rental, Tenerife. The best kebab.
Ever. I've never seen this open, this shop.
Try the fresh and simple. This is the normal walking path. Yeah, Mr. Chong is here. You see Mr. Chong?
Chong's. Here is your casino,
A casino. Don't know what you can do in there. You enter, you never come out. It's so dark in there.
She comes out for cigarettes all the time. Now I know.
You don't walk in a way that allows me to get any perspective. Oh, am I filming? Oh yeah. Prefer this area.
I wish they could make these markets a bit more beautiful.
Space? Huh?
No, they can get rid of the tents and just build some cover.
Or tents when the weather changes. They need shades. It's like in Africa, they used to think that markets need to be in the open. But that's only works when it's not raining. If it rains, it becomes somewhat difficult, right? Alright, there you go to the right.
Maybe not that far.
We walk reasonably without getting too tired.
Do I walk on the left or on the right?
No, stay where you are. Take pictures. Humans love humans. You should not just take pictures of cats and flowers that don't exist on a volcanic island. I've been farting, forgetting that I may have people behind me. Oh God.
It's right away.
I hope so.
Masha.
Well, let's stick to the left. Otherwise,
Okay.
I don't want to be surprised by.
I'd like to go left to here, right? Then I'm not, I can't see.
Very good.
Oh. Hold on to this. I have forgotten to take out my sound. I hope I didn't forget.
The what?
My sound gadgets.
Oh, I don't think I took it out of the... There's something in your side pocket. What is that?
I forgot it.
You have to go take it.
Oh, this is it. I've actually not found it. It may have been full. That's why I asked you how many days.
Have you been here?
But then I forgot to. near sea. This other box has only cable. That two boxes like that. One is cable, the other has I'm actually discovering a compartment. This bag that I didn't know existed. No problem. So maybe you go to the right. I guess you have. Is it? There may be a thing somewhere. To the right then. A Spanish walk to the right. And then to tennis court. Mine is easier to cover.
I see. Heading to the beach.
Let's go left, huh? You need to be aware that people driving behind you.